purpose of this video today is to answer the question, how much is an AV system for my home? And that's a difficult question to answer, but I'm going to take 2 minutes, and if you watch this video for 2 minutes, I guarantee you, you'll know exactly how to create the budget for your audio video system for your house. The reason I say it's a little difficult question to answer is because one person's version is to go home with their box and their stereo system, connect it in the living room with exposed wiring around the room. They left the Best Buy or the big box store, spent $399, and that was their version of a home theater. The next client wants me to conceal all the wiring in the walls. They want flush mount speakers, and they do that in their living room. And yet the next client, they want to give me a dedicated room, 20 foot by 30 foot with stadium seating, and build an actual movie theater and have that cinematic experience right in their own home. So what I've done is I've created what I call a budget calculator. So if you go on our website, we have this absolutely free of charge for clients to be able to play around with so they can see exactly if I add lighting control, do I want the starlit ceiling? What if I add different chairs and different arrangement of seating? Everything down to the carpet to the wall coverings we cover and we do as part of our design process. Other clients say, Jeff, I would love to have a living room system. On average, clients will spend in their living room surround sound anywhere from $5,000 to $35,000. And really, it's mainly driven by the cost of the equipment. Now, the better the quality of speaker, the more expensive, kind of logical. We have wonderful surround sound speakers that start off around $289 to $300, and they range in price literally on up to about $4,000 a channel if you're talking about like an in-ceiling or in-wall flush mounted speaker. Then it's what's the horsepower, what's driving that system behind there is your audio video receiver. And then again, you have different levels of power, you have different levels of performance, the capability of not only doing audio, but also doing the video streaming through these devices. So, and also at the other side, you then have what is the source, what is the content. One of the biggest things, and it's kind of a misnomer, is the fact that they put a wonderful receiver, put in great speakers, but then put a very weak source. So I say it's like buying a Ferrari and then putting cheap tires and cheap gas in it. So if you'll go check out the budget calculator, I think you'll find that you can really create and dial in the budget that's most comfortable for you. And we also offer design services absolutely free of charge to help you make some of these decisions if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Hope this video helped. If there's any questions, please see the link below and call us or email us, and we'll be happy to answer them right away. Thank you.